And if you hear it echoing, your wish will soon come true.
It's actually really lovely now that I listen to it again. Snow White came out in the 1930s, 1937. And so if you think about the time, the kind of music that was popular then, you've got jazz, you have blues. This kind of music was coming up and dominating the airways. Yet if you listen to the music that's in Snow White, it's very operatic, and that's done purposefully. So the voice actress and singer of Snow White is Adriana Caselotti. Her father was a music teacher and vocal coach, and her mother was a soprano at the Royal Opera Theatre in Rome. And especially in that moment where she's singing into the well, you can hear that trill in her voice and how high and clear it is. That especially is indicative of the kind of training that she had.